Sir, I had a small question regarding the demo quiz last class, sir. একটু ছোট
Okay,
করে
please
স্যার
go.
মানে আমি তো পিসি দিয়ে ইনিশিয়ালি ঢুকেছিলাম, বাট স্যার প্রথমে সার্ভার লিঙ্কটা পাচ্ছিল না। পরে সেল ফোন দিয়ে একবার ট্রাই করেছিলাম, ওখানেও হয়নি।
I think it's your ISP problems.
আই থিঙ্ক সো। অনেকক্ষণ ট্রাই করার পর স্যার পরে হয়েছে। আচ্ছা।
It's your ISP problems.
আর
Okay.
স্যার স্যার আরেকটা
Hmm.
হ্যালো
Hmm. Yes.
স্যার ওই যে রেকর্ডিংটা হওয়ার সময় মানে যখন আমরা ওই যে ডেমো ক্লাসটা করি ডেমো ক্লাস বলতে স্যার ওই রেকর্ডিং ক্লাসটা করি তখন আপনার এই মানে স্ক্রিনটা একটু পরে পর প্রবলেম করে যখন ওই কেউ কথা বলে পুরো স্ক্রিনটা আর কি তার ইয়েতে চলে যায় মানে তখন ওই ক্লাসটা করতে আর কি অনেক প্রবলেম হয়
ওটা আমার কিছু করার নেই। But
আচ্ছা ওইখানে পি ওইখানে একটা স্যার পিনের অপশন আছে ওইখানে ওইটা দিলে মেবি এই জিনিসটা প্রবলেমটা হবে না
পিনও করেছি, পিন করলেও লাভ হয় না। আমি একদম প্রত্যেকটা পিন করেই করি,
ও
প্রত্যেকটা পিন করাই, তারপরে ওটা হবে না, ওটাই থাকবে।
ও আচ্ছা
পিন
ওকে
করাই। ওকে,
ওকে
ওকে। এই যে পিন করা, কমপ্লিটলি পিন করা। অলরাইট।
জি স্যার
Okay. So today we are talking about power set. What is power set? Do you know that? Power set? Any idea? Power set is nothing but set of all subsets. So if A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, what are the subsets possible of A? What are the subsets of A?
1,
1,
then 2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
1, 2, 1, 3,
1, 3,
1, 4,
1,
2, 3, 2, 4,
4,
3, 4.
3, 4. Okay. And
Done.
done.
1, 2, 3.
One,
No.
1, 1,
1, 2,
No,
3.
no, no. 1, 2, 3,
1, 2, 3. Then
2, 3,
1,
4.
1. আচ্ছা
2, 3, 4. And
1,
1, 3,
1.
4.
1, 3, 4. Then 1, 1, 2,
1,
2.
1, 1, 1 হবে না তো স্যার, আমি ভাবছিলাম কারণ কি
1, 3, 4. তারপর
Then 1, 2,
1,
3, 4.
হ্যাঁ
1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4.
একটা নাল সেট।
একটা আনসার। গুড, এটাই আনসারটা জানতে চাচ্ছি। একটা আপনারা কোথাও বাদ দিয়েছে, কোনটা বাদ দিয়েছে?
স্যার 2 1 2 1
2, 1, 1, 2.
2, 1 আর 1, 2 তো একই।
আচ্ছা
আপনারা বাদ দিয়েছেন এটা 1, 2, 4.
1.
Okay. So how did I understand you people just discard one of the subset? How did I understand? What do you think?
So there will be sets of 4 in it.
Set of coordinate? What set of coordinate?
As there were 4 numbers,
four elements in the set A, there will be four subsets possible of three.
There is no fourth subset. There are a lot more subsets in here.
No, so three thingy.
Yeah, so your assumption is correct. I know the total number of subsets possible. That is true.
Yeah.
Okay, before finding the number of subsets, let's talk about power set. Power set is denoted by P. The power set of A is nothing but set, remember, set of all these subsets. Set of all these subsets, okay? It is a set. Power set is a set of all subsets. So if you understand today's class and the previous classes, let's do some exercise. Let's talk about A equal to 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Then, number 1, we'll say true or false. Is 1 belongs to A or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Right answer. Is 1 subset of A or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Is also.
Yes, sir.
Is 1 to 3 subset of A or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Why it is subset?
Because
Because
আমাদের
we
ওখানে
have.
একটা সেটই আছে 1 2 3 এর মাঝে
Mm-hmm.
কোনটা কি আছে?
1 2 3 একটা মানে সাবসেটই আছে A এর মাঝে স্যার।
না, সেটার কারণে এটা সাবসেট না, এটা রং। এই জন্যই জিজ্ঞেস করলাম। সেই জন্যই জিজ্ঞেস করলাম যে why it is a subset of A. The reason you have given, that is not correct.
So set 1 to 3 is a subset of A because in the set set 1 to 3 is an element of A.
Wonderful. Because I have element of 1, I have element of 2, and element of 3. এই মেয়েটি যে অ্যান্সারটা দিয়েছে সেটার কারণে, because of this element 1 2 3 belongs to A. Did you understand? Because of this element, set of 1 2 3 belongs to A. And because of these individual elements, 1 2 3 is a subset of A. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, may বুঝে আনসার দিবেন। এবার বলেন। Set of set, this one belongs to A or not? Is this belongs to A or not?
It belongs to A because এতে তো সাবসেটটা আছে।
হ্যাঁ, কিন্তু এটা এই সাবসেটটা না, সাবসেটের সেট।
স্যার তাহলে এটা belongs to A হবে নাকি ইয়ে হবে সাবসেট হবে?
সেটা তো আমি এখনো আসিনি, আমি তো সাবসেট বলিনি। আমার প্রশ্নটা belongs to A. Don't give just flipped answer. The answer is the question is this one. So answer that one.
No, sir, এটা হবে না, belongs to হবে না।
এটা belongs to হবে না, কারণ এতে এই সেটের ভিতরে এমন কোনো এলিমেন্ট নেই that is set of 1 to 3 of set. So it is not. Now let's talk about this. Is this subset of A or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So there is an element there. This one is set, of course, subset of A. So please remember, something become very complicated. And last one is like this. Is null set belongs to A or not? Is it true or false?
Yes, sir. True.
Null set belongs to A. What is null set inside this?
Because everything has a null set in it, sir.
Everything has inside is a null set there. So this set has a null set inside there.
Acha, nah, sir.
Please don't change your
No,
answers.
no, no, sir. Null set means there's nothing. There's empty. So what I thought before answering this is we have as this null set shows an empty set, so every set should have a null set in it. That's why I said yes, sir.
Every set should inside a null set there.
Yes, sir.
If this set inside there is a null set.
Yes, sir.
Why this set inside a null set there? Why
Because-
any set inside there is a null set there? If
Because-
you consider null set is a box, null set is a box. Inside every box there is a box.
Yes, sir.
Inside every box there is a box.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, it should. I'm thinking it in that way, sir. What we said right now.
So it is not correct. Not
Okay, sir.
every set inside there is a null set. It is not correct.
Okay, sir.
It's illogical. Then how about this? Let's assume I have said this. A equal to 1, 2, 3. And A equal to 1, 2, 3, 5. So these two sets would become equal. Are they equal?
Acha, no, now I got it.
If your logic is correct, then this set and this set is equal. But they should not be equal. Because this set does not have any element 5. This set has the element 5. So they should not be equal. So your logic is not correct. So what would be the
No, I got
answer
it.
for this?
Wrong.
Wrong. How about this? Why is a subset of it? How about this?
Sir, when pi is not an element of A, how can it be a subset of A? No, sir.
That
Wrong,
is
sir.
the question.
No,
I
sir.
have,
Wrong.
did you participate last class?
Yes, sir.
What I have proven in the last class?
Mm,
What I have proven in the last class? Tell me. What is the proof in the last class I did?
sir, it slide past my head a bit now.
And how did I write this one? What is the definition of subset? Okay, what would be the answer of this? Phi is a subset of A, true or false? Anybody?
Is this equal to power, sir?
Sir, maybe false.
No, no, sir. True.
Maybe false.
Sir, because in this
Eh,
power set, power
প্লিজ আপনি প্লিজ এই যে আপনি যে ফ্রিকোয়েন্টলি আনসার করছেন আনসারটা ফ্রিকোয়েন্টলি করা একটু বন্ধ করেন প্লিজ স্টপ অ্যান্সারিং ফ্রিকোয়েন্টলি বিফোর আনসারিং থিঙ্ক অ্যাট লিস্ট 10 সেকেন্ড অর 1 মিনিট দেন আনসার ইয়েস এনিবডি why is the subset of A, is it true or false? What did we write here?
Yes.
So it
True.
is true or false?
True, sir.
False.
True, sir.
How many of you want to say true?
Me.
One person. Okay. How maximum think it is false. Okay. Why it is false? Tell me. One by one. The
স্যার এর
person.
মাঝে তো কোনো স্যার সাবসেট মানে হচ্ছে নাল সেট নাই, তো আমরা তো এটাকে বলতে পারি না স্যার।
এটা বলতে পারি না। তো লাস্ট ক্লাসে যে একটা প্রমাণ করলাম phi is the subset of any set. এটা কিভাবে প্রমাণ করলাম? Phi is subset of any set. How did we prove that one? What is the definition of phi?
Null set.
Null set. What is the definition of phi? What is the definition of phi? Phi definition is all x. X does not belong to phi. Am I right? Right or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now what is its definition of subset? A is a subset of B. What is the definition? What is this definition? All x belongs to A implies x belongs to B. Am I right? Am I right or not? Why am I not talking? Come on. আপনারা আগের ক্লাস কি এগুলো দেখেন, কোনো লেকচার টেকচার দেখেন নাকি বাসায় যে জাস্ট ঘুমান? কামান কামান
So পেপারটা একটু উপরে উঠানো যাবে?
What is the definition of subset? A subset of B. What is the definition? How can you define a subset of B?
Sir, B has a few elements which are included in the set of A.
উল্টা ভাবে বলতেছেন। A is a subset of B. How can you define this one?
স্যার এর সবগুলো এলিমেন্ট যখন বি এর মাঝে থাকবে তখন
Okay,
সেটা
okay.
সাবসেট
So
হবে।
এটাই হচ্ছে logically all x belongs to A implies x belongs to B. This is the definition of subset. Equal sign দিতেন যেহেতু আমরা জানি না প্রপার সাবসেট। তো এখন logically why phi is a subset of A? Why phi is a subset of A? How can you prove logically? Equal sign. কেন? Because all x does not belongs to phi. তাই এটা false হওয়ার, to become this one false, there is no question of that one. Because this one is always zero. So whenever this one is always zero, implies is always true. So that's why it becomes a tautology. So that's why phi is a subset of A. Did you get it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So that's why phi is always subset of A. আগে যা পড়েছেন লজিক টজিক সব কে ফেলেছেন, দয়া করে ওগুলো একটু রিব্রাশ করেন। So let's start another topic today. So how many subsets are possible? Let's assume I have 1, 2, ... n numbers. So how many subsets are possible? How many subsets are possible? How many subsets are possible? What is the number?
Sir, is it 2 power n?
2 to the power n. But how can you prove that one? How can you prove that one? Without proof, we cannot say it is 2 to the power n. So let's think this way. Let's assume I have a blank of n. I have blank of n. That means I have n blanks. Number 1 blank, number 2 blank, number 3 blank, number 4 blank, up to number 5, number n blank. Okay? So this blank can be filled with only number 1. This blank can be filled with only number 2. This blank can be filled with only number 3. This blank can be filled with only number 4. This way, that this blank, the last blank, can be filled with only number n. So how can you construct a subset? Tell me. How can you construct the subset? This number, listen carefully, this number might be present in this blank, might not present in this blank. That means it is 0 or 1. Might be present, might not be present. This number might be present, might not be present. 0, 1. This number might be present, might not be present, 0, 1. This number might be present, might not be present, 0, 1. This way, up to this n number might be present, might not be present. So how many ways you can fill this one? 2. How many ways you can fill this one? 2. How many ways this one? 2. 2. Up to 2. So the whole task of filling this blank can be done in 2 star, 2 star, 2 star, this way. So how many 2s are there? How many 2s are there?
N, sir.
N number of 2s are there. Number of 2s are n. So what would be the answer? 2 to the power n. So that's it is the answer. Did you get it?
Yes, sir.
So this is the answer. Okay. So another concept, cardinality. Cardinality is nothing but number of elements in a set. Number of elements in a set is called cardinality. Let's assume A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then cardinality of A represented by 2 bar just before and after the set. A bar is nothing but what? What is the cardinality of this set? What is the cardinality of? Huh?
2 power 5.
2 power 5 বলে আবার cardinality of this set. আপনি অ্যান্সার প্রশ্ন না শুনে কেন উত্তর দেন বলেন তো? Cardinality of this set.
Oh, acha, 5, only 5.
Please listen carefully first. And what is the cardinality of power of this set? Power of this set.
2 power 5.
2 to the power 5. Yes. So you understand. That is the answer. All right. So let's go to next topic. First one is set operations. The first one, union or so these are the 5 operations we can do on set. All right. So let's start with union. Let's assume this U is my universal set. What is the definition of universal set? A set considered before doing any operation. Which is mother of all set. A set considered before doing any operation, which is mother of all sets. That means what is the universe? What is the universe actually? Let's assume something like this. Like my universe is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if this is my universe, then I cannot consider any value except 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is it clear to you guys? Guys?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
So universal set is nothing but a set which is considered of all elements, which is mother of all sets. Consider all elements. That means whenever you're fixed with the universe, you cannot consider any elements other than universe. If I fix my universe is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I cannot consider any element other than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's take A equal to 1, 2 and B equal to 3, 4. Then A union B is nothing but, let's consider 1, 2, 3. A is 1, 2, 3, B is equal to 3, 4. So A union B is nothing but, you have take unique elements of A, that is 1, 2, common elements of both ones, that is 3, and finally unique elements of B, which is nothing but 4. Is it clear to you guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So there is a special type of representation of set which is called Venn diagram. Venn diagram. So what is Venn diagram? Venn diagram is pictorial representation of set. So universal set is represented by this box, other sets by circle. Okay, so if you draw Venn diagram, let's say at first my universal set. So what are inside my universal set? In the previous example,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And what is inside A?
1, 2, 3,
1, 2,
3.
and 3 is a common element. So 3 and 4 and 5. This is A, this is B, this is the universal set. Am I right? Universal set has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A has 1, 2, 3. B has 3, 4. Am I right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So what would be the A union B? What would be the A union B? Take the unique element in A. So I'm going to take this. Then take the common element of A and B once. This one. Then take the unique element of B. Done. Okay? This is the A union B. Done? Do you have any question?
No, sir.
Okay, let's go to intersection. Then what is intersection? Only the common element of two of the set. Okay? So intersection B would be what?
3.
3.
Hmm.
So if you draw Venn diagram, it will be something like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what would be the intersection? This part of it. Okay, got it? Done? Done, sir?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, now let's go to next one. Symmetric difference. if A equal to 1 to 3 and B equal to 3, 4, the symmetric difference, A symmetric difference B is nothing but you are going to discard only the common elements and rest of the element you are going to take. So what is the common element between A and B?
3.
You are going to take rest of the elements. So what are the rest of the elements? 1, 2
1
and
to 4.
4. What would be the pictorial view of this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? So what would be the symmetric difference? This one and this one. You don't take the common element. You discard the common element. Is it clear to you guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Don't take the common element. Rest of the element you are going to take. So try to remember the Venn diagrams. Then remembering the operations will become very easy. Let's go to next problem. Next one. Complement. So what is complement? Before doing complement, let's do this. Relative complement. A equal to 1 to 3, B equal to 3, 4. What you are going to do? Relative complement, this one is nothing but you are going to discard all the elements in B from A. So for which one you are going to discard? 3, 3 discard, 4, 4 is not present in A. So what would be the relative complement? 1, 2. Did you get it?
Yes, sir.
So what would be the Venn diagram for this?
স্যার 4টা কেন আমরা ডিসকার্ড করলাম?
কারণ এর সব এলিমেন্ট ডিসকার্ড করব। We are going to discard all the elements in A, all the elements in B, and whichever elements also inside A, we are also going to discard those. That is the definition of relative complement. Okay?
ওকে স্যার।
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? So what would be the Venn diagram for this? This part of. Did you get it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then come to complement. Complement is nothing but relative complement from U. So A complement is nothing but universal set minus A. So what would be the answer? If A equal to, if U equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and A equal to 1, 2, 3, then what would be the U minus A complement?
4, 5.
4, 5. 4, 5. So if you see the picture, it would be like this. This is 1, 2, 3. This is 4, 5. So you discard that one. So rest of them. Okay, guys. So this is the answer. Done? Do you have any question? Any question?
No, sir.
Okay. তাহলে লজিক্যালি কিভাবে আমরা এই অপারেশনগুলো ডিফাইন করতে পারি? Logically expressing set operations. Number one, A union B. How can we represent this? Let's go to Venn diagram. How can we represent this? This one? This one? How can we represent? Just tell me in English. How can I represent this union operation? Any element? Any element
In A is true.
that must be present in A or that must be present in? Come on. Any element that must be present in A
B.
or B. Because you see, whenever we union 1, 2, 3 and 3, 4, we combine all the elements in A and B. So intersection is nothing but taking an element from either A or B. Am I right or not?
Yes, sir.
So how can I represent logically union? How can I represent union? Huh? All X such that X belongs to A or X belongs to A or X belongs to
B.
B. So this is the definition of union. Now how can we represent intersection? What is intersection? What is intersection?
And হবে স্যার শুধু।
And হবে কারণ হচ্ছে কি we are taking the common element of both. So all X belongs to A and X belongs to B. Wonderful. Number 3. How can we represent symmetric difference? How can we represent symmetric difference?
So can we see the symmetric diagram, please?
This one. A is unique element, fine. B is unique element, fine. Just discard the common element. So how can you represent? You have to discard the common element. So how can you discard the common element? How? Come on. All X belongs to A or X belongs to B and what?
কমনটা
And
জাস্ট বাদ দিব।
যে দুটার কমন এলিমেন্ট থাকবে না সেটা কিভাবে করব?
Negation of
And quantified the যোগ করবে and বাস অলরাইট
Yes.
হয়ে গেল
Now got it. Sir.
this is the case. Is it the correct one or not? Let me think. So this one is correct. Fine. This
Sir,
one is we are talking about.
X not an element of A দিলে তো আমার মানে এ এর মধ্যে থাকতেছে না, এ বাদে কোনো
both
কিছু রয়েছে।
both consider both together, not one individually, consider both together.
স্যার মানে বোধ বোধ ধরলেও আমার তো নট অ্যান এলিমেন্ট থাকতেছে, মানে নট অ্যান এলিমেন্টে ডিসকার্ড করে ফেলতেছি না আমার এ আর বি এর বি থেকে। মানে আমারও এই সেকেন্ডটা নিয়ে কনফিউজ লাগতেছে।
হ্যাঁ কনফিউজ দেখতেছি, ওয়েট আচ্ছা আবার ট্রাই করি। all x such that x belongs to a or x belongs to b, fine, and জিনিসটা হচ্ছে এরকম, let's write this one. এই তো, এই হচ্ছে আমার ফর্মুলা তো, রাইট? ডু ইউ হ্যাভ এনি প্রবলেম উইথ দিস ওয়ান অর নট?
নো স্যার, এটা ঠিক আছে।
all x belongs to a or x belongs to b and x belongs to a and x belongs to b not, তো এটাকে যদি আপনি এখন করেন তাহলে অ্যানসারটা কি হবে? if you try to convert this one to formula, to try to simplify this one, then what do you get? all x belongs to a or x belongs to b, and if you apply the Morgan's law, then what do you get? Then it will become, I think I made a mistake actually. X not belongs to A or X not belongs to B. So I think this one is the correct answer. Yes, this one. You're right. So this one should not be and, this should be or. Okay? If we express this way, it becomes it is very bizarre. Am I right?
স্যার এটা অর দিলে কিভাবে হয়? আমার তো এর আগের যেটা ছিল ওইটাই ঠিক মনে হচ্ছিল।
or দিলে তো কিভাবে মারা হয় তাই তো, কিন্তু
A আর B এর এলিমেন্ট
wait, let me fix it this way. So we have to try to prove this one true. So let's assume we have taken some common element. Am I right or not? Let's take a common element. Let's take this. Let's assume I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's take this common element 4. So definitely this one is true. This one is true. Am I right? Definitely this one is false. And this one is also false. So definitely this one is false. So true, false, it becomes false. So it is going to discard the common elements. Am I right or not? True and false. So it is going to, the whole thing become false. So it is going to discard the common element. Now let's take single elements. This one definitely true. This one is false. Another might be true. So true and false, it becomes true. So true, it becomes true. So it is the correct expression. Okay? Did you get it?
ইয়েস স্যার, বাট উপরেরটা দিয়ে স্যার আরো সুন্দর করে বোঝানো যায়।
না, উপরেরটাতে সুন্দর করে বোঝানো যায় না,
না না না
উপরেরটা
স্যার,
আমি
3
ভুল
নাম্বার
লিখেছি।
ওইটা না স্যার, মানে হচ্ছে আপনি দুইটা এক্সপ্রেশন লিখছেন না,
This
মানে 3
one, this
নাম্বারে।
one,
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ, এটা
this
তো
one, yes, yes. This one is, yes, this one is the definition. This one is the definition. But if you simplify this definition, then you will get this. It seems little bit bizarre. It seems little bit bizarre, but it is actually the correct expression. Okay? You can do one
Okay,
thing.
sir.
You can take this expression and go at home, try to analyze element by element, then you will get this one. Okay? Now let's come to here. Now, complement. Relative complement. Relative complement is very easy. So what would be the relative complement? What would be the logical formula for this? All x belongs to A, x belongs to A, and x not belongs to B. Okay? And complement, also very easy. A complement, U minus A, all x belongs to U, and x not belongs to A. Done. Done. Yes. All right. All the logical equivalence formula we have covered. All the logical equivalence formula we have covered in classes. All are also applicable in set theory. All are applicable. So let's start one by one. Number one. Number one. A complement, double complement is nothing but A. It is nothing but double complement. So how can you make the analogy? You can make the analogy very simple way. So if you consider and is nothing but intersection, or is nothing but union, and complement is nothing but not so and is nothing but intersection, or is nothing but union, and complement is nothing but not, then if you just and another thing, and phi is nothing but contradiction, universal set is nothing but tautology, and then you convert all the formulas in logical equivalence, then you will get equivalence set theoretic formula. For example, we know that double negation of a propositional statement is nothing but that statement. The same way, double complement, because complement is analogized with not. So that's why if we double complement A, we get back A. Now let's go to number two. What would be the number two? What would be the number two? What would be the number two? Commutative. A union B is nothing but B union A, and another one is A intersection B is nothing but B intersection A. Commutative. Go to number
স্যার
3.
আমরা মর্গানস থিওরেমটা বাদ দিচ্ছি।
বাদ দিচ্ছি না, আসছে। আমি এইভাবে লিখছি আর কি। Then associative A associative law. Let's go to number 4. A. De Morgan. De Morganটা কিরকম হবে? A
A union B complement
is nothing but A complement
A complement
intersection B
intersection B
complement.
complement.
আর A
A
intersection
intersection B
B
complement
complement is nothing but A complement union B complement.
union B
Just remember this analogy. And is nothing but intersection, or is nothing but union, complement is nothing but not, phi is nothing but contradiction, universal set is nothing but tautology. So De Morgan. Next. Next one.
idempotent.
না, এর আগে এই যে ডিস্ট্রিবিউশনটা করতে হবে। Distribution. তারপর what is the next one? Idempotent. Next one is idempotent.
স্যার আগেটা একবার দেখা যাবে?
হ্যাঁ, আগেরটা দেখবেন।
জি স্যার, লেখা হয় নাই। ওকে স্যার।
আজকে আপনাদের মন খারাপ কেন? Why you people are so sad?
তার কারণ আপনি বকা দেন।
আমি বকা দেই আপনাদের ভালোর জন্যই। কারণ কি জানেন, if you don't learn discrete mathematics by heart, then every courses in CSC you people getting stuck. So remember.
এক্স্যাক্টলি স্যার, আমরাও মন খারাপ করে আমাদের ভালোর জন্যই। মন
So, okay, so try to, okay, let me give you an advice. Try to learn discrete mathematics very efficiently. 3 courses you need to learn very efficiently. One is actually this one, discrete mathematics. Second one is data structure. And third one is algorithm. So if you can learn these 3 courses very efficiently, then all the CSC courses become very easy. But if you make mistake with all these 3 courses, then it would be very difficult for you guys. So let's go to 4.1, number 6. That is called idempotent. So what is idempotent? A union A is nothing but A. A intersection A is nothing but A. Idempotent. Now let's go to number 7. What is the number 7? Identity, right? We know that any propositional statement or contradiction is nothing but that propositional statement. So if we make an analogy, A, any set,
A union phi
union
phi
phi, because this is nothing but, it is nothing but, phi is
A.
nothing but phi is nothing but analogized with contradiction. It is nothing but A, and we know that any propositional statement and tautology is nothing but that propositional statement. So any set intersection with universal set is nothing but this set. So this is the identity. What's next?
inverse.
Inverse. The inverse is nothing but if we A union A, which is nothing but universal set, and A intersection A, which is nothing but phi. Inverse. Then what's next?
Domination.
Domination. So A union phi is nothing but phi, and A intersection, oh sorry, I made a mistake, right? A union universal set is nothing but universal set, and A intersection phi is nothing but phi domination. And what is the last one?
Absorption.
Absorption. A union A intersection B is nothing but A intersection A union. Done. So these are the sets.
Yes, sir.
Do you have any question?
No, sir.
আপনি আমাকে এখানে যে কোনো একটা ফর্মুলা দেন, আমি প্রমাণ করি। একটা দেন।
স্যার এগুলো তো আগেই লাইক ইয়ে করেছিলেন, একই তো, জাস্ট আমরা
তারপর একটা একটা প্রমাণ করে দেখাই দিই। হ্যাঁ, লজিক্যালি আগালেই হবে। Instead of doing actually single element wise, you are going to do using consider একটা প্রমাণ করে দেই, সহজ হবে। কোনটা দেব? দা মর্গানের একটা প্রমাণ করে দেই।
হ্যাঁ স্যার, ওইটাই ডামরগানের একটা
দা মর্গানের কোনটা করব? সেকেন্ডটা করি। তো সেকেন্ড অনুযায়ী কি? A
B complement is equal to A complement union.
So let's prove this one. So what is this? A intersection B complement is set of all x such that x belongs to U universal set and x not belongs to A intersection B. Am I right?
Yes sir.
স্যার
How can you-
এন্ডটাকে আমরা ইয়া লিখবো না, মানে হচ্ছে কি বলে এটাকে, ভুলে গেছি
বুঝিনি আপনার কথা।
স্যার। ওই যে আমরা এন্ড লিখলাম, ওখানে আমরা ইউনিয়ন দিব না?
আমি কমপ্লিমেন্টটা ভাঙলাম, এ কমপ্লিমেন্টের ডেফিনেশনটা ভাঙলাম। এ কমপ্লিমেন্টের ডেফিনেশনটা কি? হোয়াট ইজ দ্য এ কমপ্লিমেন্ট ডেফিনেশন? Let's go back over here. Complementary definition কি? X belongs to U and X not belongs to A.
স্যার ও ওইটাই বলেছে, আপনি যেখানে মানে এন্ড
ও আচ্ছা, ওটা does not matter. It does not matter. আপনারা ইংলিশেও লিখতে পারেন বা সিম্বলও দিতে পারেন। সাধারণত সেট থিওরির সময় এন্ডটা ওইভাবেই লেখে। It does not matter. Okay? You can do that one. Don't worry. So all X belongs to U and তারপর এটাকে কি করা যায়? দা মর্গান, তাই না? এটা হচ্ছে বাই ডেফিনেশন। সেকেন্ড পার্টটা কি? দা মর্গান অনুযায়ী কি হবে? X what would be the case? X belongs to A or sorry, X not belongs to A or X not belongs to B. Okay?
Yes sir.
The organ. This is nothing but all X belongs to universe and X belongs to A bar or X belongs to B bar. Do you agree with me or not?
Yes.
Definition. Then again, all X distribution korbo union and X belongs to A bar or X belongs to universe and X belongs to B bar. Distribution. Then finally আমরা জানি X belongs to universe and X belongs to A bar. What would be the case? This is nothing but all X belongs to A bar or X belongs to B bar. Using what? Using what? This one? Using হচ্ছে গিয়ে domination. So ultimately we got all x, so it is nothing but a bar union. So done. Check. Do you have any query? You can ask me. Done? Should we stop here today?
Yes, sir.
So next class we'll finish this set theory and we'll do a little bit about function. Then we'll go for having Eid al-Adha. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Let's take your attendance. All right, guys. See you then. Take care. Huh? Bye.
Thank you, sir. Assalamu alaikum.
Goodbye, sir.
Assalamu alaikum.